Hi everyone, happy September. I hope you had a fantastic first week of school. I know it's been very hot, but I hope you had a good week anyways. My name is Miss Alisha. I am the teen librarian at Willard Library, and I am going to show you what is in our September kits. So for the month of September and during the school year, these kits are for 3rd grade and up. So if you're in 3rd grade all the way through 12th grade, you can come in and you can pick up one of these kits from either library location while supplies last. I will say that at least during the summer, the kits went pretty quickly. So I would come as close to the beginning of the month as you can. But let's see what's in our kit this month. So because it is September and it's back to school, we thought we would give you all some fun Willard Library school supplies, and maybe not the same school supplies you get from other places. And then we have this cool little pencil pouch that it comes in that is just plain canvas that you can decorate however you'd like. I have a Sharpie here that I'm going to use on mine. You can use Sharpies. You can use fabric markers, you can use fabric paint, you can use acrylic paint, you can use whatever you want to and make this your own, personalize it so that it's something fun for you to carry around at school. So this is the pencil pouch, and inside we have just a few things. We have this little back to school flyer. It tells you what's in the kit. It also says to check our Facebook page and our website for updates on in-person programs. We are doing in-person programs in September, and we are so excited to see you. So check the website for information on that. I do have a tween for 9 to 14-year-olds craft night coming up in September, and we are making neon signs. I'm very excited about it, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So check that out. Come see me, come make a sign with me. But this flyer's in there. And then we have this very cool Willard Library lanyard that you can put your school ID in. You could put your library card in it. You could put anything that you want to make sure you hold on to and you know where it is in this little ID holder, and then you have it whenever you need it. It also has this little card in here that tells you a little bit about your student ID number. Is also a library card number, so you can use that student ID number in all of our digital apps. We have one called Hoopla, which is music and movies and audiobooks. There's a little bit of everything. I use that one all the time. We have another one called Libby, which is mostly ebooks and audiobooks. And then there's another one called Freegal, which is mostly music. And it's all of those are free with your library card, so take advantage of those. You just need your student ID number and then your PIN number, which is usually the last 4 digits of whatever phone number the school has on file for you. So take advantage of that. You can also come into the library and we will make you a physical library card if you'd like. So you have this cool lanyard. You can put your student ID, your library card, anything else you want to keep track of in this. We also have, because it's good to have any time, but especially this year, we have this spray hand sanitizer. So it's a little bottle, and you spray, you rub it in your hands, and now you're germ-free. So if you can't get to a bathroom to wash your hands, you can always use this spray sanitizer. And then the other thing that we have in the kits that has not come in yet, so hopefully by the time you get these kits, it's in there, is a Willard Library pencil. that you can use, you know, at school for homework or whatever. But this is the pencil pouch. Like I said, you can use a Sharpie and you can, you know, decorate it however you'd like. So like, I'm just gonna really quickly write my name. So that's just the start, but you can decorate it however you want to. Have fun with it. It's yours. Put your own personality into it. So now that I've showed you the kits for the month, I'm actually going to take you downstairs to the teen room and show you what that looks like. You're gonna get a little sneak peek. Okay, we made it downstairs. So this is the lower level. It's open after school from 2 to 5 for middle schoolers and high schoolers on days that Battle Creek Public Schools is in session. We have a lot of really fun things down here. It looks a little bit different like right now than it would in a normal year, but there's still some cool stuff. So I am going to show you. Okay. So back here we have the lounge area with some comfy chairs, some books, a lamp, and there's a TV that we can watch movies on. This right here is the door you would come in at from the side entrance. If you're coming down to the lower level and you don't want to go all the way through the library, you can go in and out that door. This is staff computers. There's usually someone there who can help you. These are tables and chairs for hanging out, doing homework, whatever you'd like. Sometimes we play games. And then here we have our PS4. We still have a 4. We couldn't get a hold of a 5 yet. But we have a PS4 gaming system with a bunch of games that you can come play after school. And then my favorite part of the lower level is this really amazing mural that a local artist, Giselle Pugh, actually painted for us over the past year. So please come see us. We would love to see you after school. Miss Stephanie and myself, one of us is always down here. We'd love to hang out with you, play some games, have some fun, and make sure you pick up your kits. And we hope you have an excellent September, cooler September, and we will see you soon. Bye.